This critter right here is called Aegirocassis. It is an extinct genus of radiodont arthropod belonging to the family Heriidae, and is known by a single species, Aegirocassis benmolia. Aegirocassis lived throughout the world's oceans during the Tremodosian stage of the early Ordovician period, some 486 to 477 million years ago. The first remains of A. benmoliae were recovered from the Fissûata biota of Morocco by fossil collector Mohammed bin Molla, who recognized its rare characteristics and brought it to the notice of professional paleontologist Peter Van Roy, who described and named the animal after bin Molla. Aegirocassis is easily distinguished by its huge size. At just over 6.6 feet or 2 meters in length for the largest recorded specimen, Aegirocassis was the largest animal on Earth at its time, as well as amongst the largest arthropods ever discovered. More important than the size, however, the three-dimensional preservation of some of the Aegirocassis specimens has proven that Aegirocassis had two sets of swimming flaps, and not one, as had been previously assumed for other anomalocarids. Before it had been assumed that anomalocarids had lost their lower sets in favor of one for easier swimming. Authors of the 2015 description of Aegirocassis also noted ribbon-like structures believed to have been gills, sometimes seen in other anomalocarids. These have been in the past assumed to have been fixed on the back, but describers of Aegirocassis noted that these possible gills attached to the upper row of the flaps. Compared to earlier anomalocarids, which were generally predators or detritivores, Aegirocassis is distinct in having frontal spines with a very fine mesh of further spine-like appendages that would have filtered planktonic organisms out of the water, making it the first known large filter feeder in Earth's history, a niche that is today filled by manta rays, certain sharks, and baleen whales. This may also explain how Aegirocassis could grow so big, as not only is plankton abundant and nutritious, it requires very little energy expenditure to catch, meaning that more calories can be diverted to growth and the maintenance of large physical size.